this video, we'll see how you can debug your app and make it better. Debugging and testing are most important aspects of any Android app. If the app is not tested properly, it may fail in any scenario. So in order to do that, Android provides good debugging tool, good memory analyzer tool, and monitoring tools which will help you in finding flaws in your application. No developers can code error-free. Hence, we need these tools to help us code better and make sure that the app is optimized for the smartphone, for the embedded systems, and it runs fine with optimized use of memory. So let's go ahead and check out how you can use logcat and Android device monitor to profile your application. Profiling and debugging are the most important aspects of any app. Without debugging and proper profiling, an app should not be released in the market because you never know. The app may crash in low-end devices, or the UI may not appear properly on the high-end devices, or the app may be using too much of resources. So in order to avoid all these pitfalls, we will see how you can use logcat and Android device monitor. So let's see how you can use logcat and Android device monitor to profile your app and make it better. We'll use a Facebook demo application for our project. This Facebook demo project fails to log in. We'll identify using logcat why exactly this is failing. So I've just opened the app. Logcat appears at the bottom of your screen. So you can see the bottom half of the screen. This is the logcat. And these are the memory monitors, CPU monitors, and network. Right now, my phone is connected through USB to the studio. So you can see the app is using memory allocated is 9, but free is 3. It's making use of only 0.0% CPU. In fact, it's not using any CPU since it's not running right now. There's no network API call. GPU usage is virtually 0. So run this app again. By memory profiling, I mean how much memory your app is using to run all the features. So you can see free, allocated. So as the app starts, you can see the graph. There is very minimal network thrust. When I click on login with Facebook, my app is making internet call, and you can see the internet call lasted for around. So you can see the internet call has actually downloaded 600 kilobytes of data, and the free memory is this. In the logcat, you can see all the output which my app has generated. This is the package name and the output. So logcat generates the output in a particular fashion. If you have used Java and Apache logcat, the Apache log4j, the output is similar. If you have used Apache log4j, then you will find similarity in the output. So this is the current date, time, the ID for your process, package name of your app, who exactly is generating. It's a system-based output. W stands for warning, D stands for debug, I stands for info, and finally the logcat message. So right now our app is printing no message, but this output is generated from the library that we have integrated and the system. For instance, you can change the logcat output to show only the informatory messages, info messages, and above. This helps in reducing the content that is displayed in the logcat so that you don't get confused and lost and find different errors. So if I want to see only the errors that have appeared, these are the errors that have appeared in the Facebook app. libegl, validate, display, and etc. You can see only the selected application or apply no filter. Show only selected application will show logs of only the currently selected app. If I select WhatsApp, I can see the WhatsApp logs as well. And if I select any other app, for instance Airtel app which I am using, it shows all the logs which are generated by this particular app. Logcat helps in debugging your application and finding where exactly the app has gone wrong. Probably, if the app has crashed, the stack trace will be shown in the logcat as well. Now, if I remove the filters, I can see logs from all the apps. As you can see, Java lang runtime exception. This is the crash created by one of the apps. So if it is your app, you can make use of the stack trace, find out the error and resolve the issue.